Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to change your birth date on Facebook. So first, just open your Facebook application and then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on see your profile. And then now you can see here edit profile. Just click on it. Okay, then scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on the edit your about info, and then scroll down again and look for the basic info. Now click on edit because under that is your gender and your date of birth. So here, the first thing is to click on the date of your birth, the day of your birthday. So click on it. Okay, then choose the day of your birthday. Now you can click on the second one is the month of your birthday. Now finally the year of your birthday. After that, confirm that you're 23 years old or do so, and then click on save at the bottom corner of the screen. Then after that, as you can see here, your birth date on FB has changed. So that's it. That's it for this video. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos in the future. Bye bye.